We're here to ensure that the customer gets the best Bose experience around the world. We are the customer support for aviation, military, and broadcast products here at Bose.
If everything goes wrong with the headset, we are here to get that fixed.
I used to fly a lot, many different airplanes and sometimes even helicopters. Everything in my life is somehow related with aviation. I'm really proud that we work as a team to do the best, the most efficient work. We always care about every single detail. I think this is what aviation needs.
I believe that trust is something that you earn over time. It's not something that you have right away. We've been repairing headsets for years now. I personally have been repairing headsets for 11 years. When a customer sends in their headset, they trust that it will be repaired and it will be perfect.
When they get their headset back, sometimes they'll get it back in a week, and they're back flying, and that experience, it just builds upon the fantastic products that we service.
They're trusting us to give them a good quality product. If anything happens with the headset or if they're having problems with it, we'll help them resolve it. They're not just buying just the headset, they're buying the customer service, which is the people in this room.